Ever pondered how your daily habits shape your health and well-being? In the ebb and flow of life, the profound impact of our daily routines often goes unnoticed. Yet the choices we make, from what we consume to how much we move and the quality of our sleep, can dramatically sway our overall wellness. It's a dance of decisions, a ballet of balance, where every step, every choice matters. In the book Eat, Move, Sleep, Tom Rath brings these choices to light, illuminating the interconnectedness of our habits and health. Through engaging stories and evidence-backed insights, he unveils the extraordinary influence of mindful eating, consistent physical activity, and quality sleep. He offers practical strategies to weave these habits into the fabric of our daily lives, emphasizing their cumulative effects over time. One might consider this impact as a mystery, but it's a mystery we're about to unravel. Food, an everyday necessity, but how does it influence our health? Picture this: each meal, each snack, each bite we take is an opportunity, a moment for mindful eating. It's a chance to nourish our bodies with nutrient-rich foods that fuel our well-being. Tom Rath, in his book Eat, Move, Sleep, uncovers the profound impact of simple lifestyle choices, like what we choose to eat, on our health and longevity. Imagine swapping out that afternoon soda for a crisp, refreshing water, or trading in the donut for a handful of nutrient-packed almonds. Small changes, yes, but over time, they can significantly improve our health. It's about recognizing our bodies as finely tuned machines, deserving of the highest quality fuel. It's about making conscious choices, not just eating, but feasting wisely. And remember, it's the cumulative effects of these choices that truly shape our health and happiness. So, it's not just about eating, it's about feasting wisely. Movement, an integral part of life, but how does it shape our well-being? Let's delve into the wisdom of Tom Rath's Eat, Move, Sleep. The book unravels the significance of regular physical activity, a factor often overlooked in the pursuit of health. As Rath suggests, movement isn't just about hitting the gym or running marathons. It's about incorporating physical activity into the fabric of our daily routines. Think of it like this: taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or perhaps walking to the market instead of driving. These simple adjustments over time accumulate to create a powerful impact on our health. The beauty of movement is that it not only strengthens our bodies, but also enhances our mental well-being. It sharpens our focus, boosts our mood, and infuses us with energy. Rath's insights remind us that every step we take, every move we make counts. Movement isn't just a part of life, it's a catalyst for good health. Sleep, a nightly retreat. But how crucial is it for our health? As Tom Rath illuminates in his riveting work Eat, Move, Sleep, sleep isn't just a break from our daily grind, it's essential for our physical and mental well-being. Picture this: our bodies, much like machines, require downtime for maintenance and repair. Sleep serves as this necessary shutdown period, allowing our bodies to mend and recover. It rejuvenates our minds, consolidates our memories, and replenishes our energy. But it's not about the quantity of sleep, it's the quality. It's about establishing consistent sleep patterns and creating an environment conducive to restful slumber. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, reducing exposure to blue light before bedtime, and ensuring our sleep spaces are quiet, dark, and cool. By making these small yet significant changes, we can unlock the transformative power of sleep. Sleep isn't just a retreat, it's a revolution for our health. Eat, move, sleep, a simple triad with profound implications. These three elements, simple as they may seem, hold the power to transform our lives. Tom Rath, in his insightful book, unravels the intricate web of connections between these daily habits and our overall well-being. He emphasizes the importance of mindful eating, choosing nutrient-rich foods over empty calories. He champions the cause of regular physical activity, not just structured workouts, but movement interspersed throughout the day. And he underlines the significance of quality sleep, consistent and restorative, as the foundation of good health. Each of these elements, he argues, has a cumulative effect over time. Small, incremental changes in our habits can lead to significant improvements in our health, productivity, and longevity. Rath's compelling narrative serves as a powerful reminder of the profound impact that our daily choices can have on our lives. In the end, it's the simple choices that shape our health. So eat wisely, move frequently, and sleep well, for health is wealth.